This problem now, we've got a tower that's H meters, so we're going to have H there, and you've got a point P that's on the ground, and it's due east of that point. So we get our bearings, and we have that's going to be north in this direction, and it's going to be east, so that's going to be a right angle there. So from point Q, which is due south, so it's again 90 degrees that way. We got an elevation to the tower is 30, and we had the elevation of 45 there. So you can start to see our triangles that we have existing, and we've got a distance from P to Q of 40 meters. And what we want to do is find the height of the tower. So we want to get some triangles related in here. So we draw them up. We've got this P, O, and Q here with 40 there. We've got HOP with H in there and 45, and then HOQ with 30 degrees there. Now we can use Pythagoras here if we can get PO and OQ, and we can I can do that from these two triangles, because tan of 45 is H on OP, so OP would be H on tan 45, and tan 30 is H on OQ, and so OQ would be 10 on 30. So I've got it from those two triangles there. Now I can use Pythagoras and relate it there. So there's my Pythagoras theorem in this part. So we were able to use Pythagoras' theorem there, and then we were able to apply those values we had on the previous page in here, equal to the 40 squared. So if you look at 1 on tan of 45, well, tan of 45 is 1, so the whole thing would be 1. So that's where the 1 comes from in this part, from here. And then tan of squared of 30, there, tan of 30, and I've factorised the h squared out here, so I've just got 1 on tan of 30. Tan of 30 would be 1 on root 3, so that gives us root 3 there, and square it, we get the 3 there. So 1 on tan squared 30 gives us 3. So we can see the relationship and where they all come in there. I could also have done it this way, tan squared of 60, and that's going to give me the 3 there as well. So I could have done it a couple of ways, used all our relationships here. So the 40 squared on 1 plus square root of 3 all squared gives us 40 squared on 4. H would be equal to 20 meters. So that's going to be our height of our tower there. But just check carefully all the working that we do as we go through of all those trig values.